Good morning and Hari Om. I am Jigyasa Ojha, student of class 10. I would like to welcome all to our Science and Art Exhibition 2025, a celebration of creativity, innovation and the power of young minds. We are thrilled to host an event that showcases the intersection of logical inquiry and artistic aspiration. And I would like to thank our chief guest of the day, Mistress Swadhinata Sahani, and evaluators of the day, Mr. Himanshu Dehuri and Mr. Sanjeev Behera, for giving their valuable time. Before we start the program, I would like to request our chief guest, evaluators, and principal sir to light the lamp of knowledge in front of Pujya Swami Chinmayananda Saraswati ji. Please, sir.
Ya, saya turno.
ॐ दीपं ज्योति परं ब्रह्मं दीपं ज्योति जनार्दनं दीपं ज्योति हरित पापं पूजा दीपो नमस्तुते शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपं ज्योति नमस्तुते दीपं ज्योति नमस्तुते गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः समस्त जनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मवेद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मवेद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मवेद्वरम्
Thank you, ma'am and sir. It's time to introduce our guest. It's my pleasure to welcome our chief guest of the day, our ACF ma'am, Mistress Swadhinata Sahani, who protects our forest from threats, overseeing conservation work like afforestation and timber management. She is the one who monitor and inspect forest areas and nurseries. She assists the DFO with administrative and supervisory tasks. She leads raids to address forest offences in sensitive cases. Thank you, ma'am, for protecting our green environment and wildlife. And thank you, ma'am, for giving your valuable time. Please accept our token of love. Thank you, ma'am.
I am Oshita Mishra. I would like to welcome to our evaluator, Mr. Himanshu Dehuri, who is an outstanding science teacher, expert from Apurva High School, Suguda. Their passion for science and dedication to nurturing young minds are well known, and we are incredibly fortunate to have him here today. Thank you, sir, for giving your valuable time. Please accept our token of love.
honored to welcome our evaluator Mr. Sanjay Behera for today's event. He is working as a science teacher in Sunamda High School. He is a famous figure in the field of science. We are grateful you have taken time out of your busy schedule to grace this occasion. Thank you, sir. Please accept our token of award. Thank you, sir.
I'd like to thank our respected principal, sir, to allow us to explore our skill in science and art. Thank you, sir. Please accept our token of love. Thank you, sir. Thank you, board members. Jagdish Nanda, sir. Please accept our token of love. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank our respected science teachers, especially Ranjan Kumar Pradhan sir, Rajesh Kumar sir, and Niranjan sir, to organize this exhibition. Your tireless efforts have made this event possible. And thank you for introducing Thanks to all science teachers. Without your help, it may not be possible to present this project in such a heavy schedule. Thank you so much for your support and dedication.
I would like to thank our Anju ma'am and all teachers to organize the art exhibition to explore the young mind. Thank you Pratima ma'am, Chantal ma'am, Panda ma'am, Aarti ma'am, Raika ma'am, Kriti ma'am, Ishita ma'am, Sahu sir, Geeta ma'am, Geeta ma'am, Veena ma'am, Rosie ma'am, Mukul sir. Thanks to all for your support. Now I would like to request to our chief guest of the day to share few words from her experience with us. Please, ma'am.
First of all, very good morning to all the young minds sitting over here and all the participants who have already participated in this exhibitions. But I would also like to thank principals, teachers and everybody for having me. Actually seeing you all is like complete a nostalgic feeling. Once upon a time I was on the other side and somebody was here to inspire all of us. And same role I am also getting an opportunity to inspire you in the way and the profession what I am in. But ମୁଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଏଇଟା ବି କହିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହିଁବି because wherever we go, whatever we are, whatever identity we make, we should not forget our roots. And roots start from home. Mother, ma. ସେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଆମର ସବୁଠୁ first teacher ଯିଏ ଆମକୁ life ର first lesson ଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ teach କରନ୍ତି. And next, foremost, our teachers, the school, the colleges, and wherever we are getting self like ଆମକୁ କ'ଣ କ'ଣ ଦୁନିଆରେ career ଅଛି, ଦୁନିଆଦାରୀ କ'ଣ ସେ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷର lessons ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଆମେ ଆଗକୁ ହବା ସେ inspiration, ସେ admirations ସେଇ ଜିନିଷ ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ସବୁବେଳେ ସ୍କୁଲକୁ as second home or our teachers as second mother or father ଆମେ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ ନେଇ ଆସିଥାଉ। ସ୍କୁଲ ଗୋଟେ ଏମିତିଆ ପ୍ଲେସ୍ ଯୋଉଥିରେ କି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ସାରା opportunities ମିଳିବ ମାନେ in both of sense I am talking about ମାନେ positive also negative. It's about us कि हमें कोई जिनिसटाको चूज करूचु। Seeing you all, I'm seeing that these people will be like having an identity in future. You all will be having an identity in future in some other the professions. ମୁଁ ତମମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ବି କହିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବି as we all are sitting outside of this campus, right? I mean, campus bhitere gote gach tale bosche, right? Kon pai ame normal jagare kon pai bosunu khara achi tana achi katibo always we required what trees environment तो सब बेले जितने बेले भी अपन माने फील्ड रे रहउचंती घर को जाउचंती सराउंडिंग्स रे रहउचंती एनवायरनमेंट इज आवर फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग दैट शुड बी टेकन केयर ऑफ जिते बेले भी आपण माने जाउचंती कुआडे भी आपण माने निजे भी अवेयर होतु एंड प्लस आपण को सराउंडिंग रे जितके लोक अछंती से माने को भी अवेयर करंतु बिकॉज़ हमर इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रे फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज रो गोटे लाइन अछि आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल माइट बी नोइंग दिस कि we have to conserve our surroundings like our forest, lakes, animals, wildlife and everything around us, right? तो मु सेटे भी आशा करिबी कि लोक मन जति कि आपण माने अछंती फ्यूचर रे आपण माने से जिंस पई भी ध्यान देबे फर्स्ट वी आर ए सिटीजन ऑफ दिस इंडिया तो वी हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर एनवायरनमेंट एंड प्लस आमे समस्त को अवेयर एटा भी करिबा कि वी हैव टू like utilize the things or resources that is around us but से जिंस को हमको ओवर एक्सप्लॉइटेड करियर नाही First, I would also like to congratulate all you because for having like अपन को innovation like she was talking about कि एठी अपन माने innovations गुड़ा भी show करू चाहती so these innovations will be the solutions for the future अपन माने को वो सेटअप रिक्वेस्ट करिबी कि अपन माने सेही दिगरे भी टिके देखंतु कि हाउ माने एनवायरनमेंट फ्रेंडली वाला जिंस गुड़ा हम करि परिबा so that कि this environment can be protected and it will not hamper to any of the wildlife because coexistence is the key of successful life. And lastly also again, thank you all of you for having me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable word. It will help us to keep our environment safe. We assure that we will stand for our environment. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to request our respected principal sir to share few words with us.
Hari Om. Yes. Today is the science exhibition. Before that, I bow my head. I bow my head to the Swamiji, and I welcome the chief guest, Mrs. Swadhin Sahani, and our invited science teachers, the evaluators, and the management member, Nandesha, the organizers, my colleague, and my beloved students. Again, I wish you Hari Om for the science exhibition. Before that, I want to tell you what our special guest told to you. What she told, I am telling in very simple ways. That is depletion, exploitation and accumulation. The meaning is that we should conserve the nature. So I also request ma'am that during Wildlife Conservation Day, a quiz program or some program is conducted by the government, and if it is over to you, you please kindly inform us so that we will be involving our students in the quiz competitions. Okay, that we will do, and it is being conducted by WWF. वो WWF टीवी में देखा था वो नहीं, दूसरा है WWF वाइल्ड लाइफ फंड, वो होता है उसमें ऑर्गेनाइज होता है, और मुझे पता है आई यूज्ड टू डू इन द प्रीवियस स्कूल. But what is my intention is that innovation and technology. What is innovation? Innovation comes from the heart. If you think, you can do. And technology, it is a tool. How to use the things easily. That is technology. And what I mean to say.
Thank you, sir.
Now, I would like to request our science teacher who is behind this success, Mr. Ranjan Kumar Pradhan sir, to come to the stage.
Hari Om. First of all, I would like to thank our chief guest, Honorable Mr. Swadhinata Sahani ma'am, then our evaluators of the day, Himanshu Dehury sir and Sanjeev Behera sir, Then at last I would like to thank our principal sir, our BOM members, and to all my science teachers and the arts teachers also to organize this exhibition and to help us. And then I would like to thank all the participants who are participating in the art exhibition or science exhibition for your project and for your dedication. But I want more project in the next year, and I hope you will do this. Yes or no? Next time we will increase the number of projects. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Those are not participating in the exhibition, please try to learn from this, from your seniors, from your juniors, or from your friends. But at least try to increase the number of participants. Okay. And as ma'am said, that it is our responsibility to protect our wildlife, to protect our environment, not only the forest or not only the nursery. Our environment means our surroundings, all the plants which are there, flowering plant, vegetables, or whatever it may be. We have to take care of everything, our nature, our environment, soil, everything. But nowadays what we are doing, we are using plastics. Am I right? We are eating cookies and just throwing the wrapper here and there. That cause soil pollution, yes or no? And if you will burn that one, then it will cause air pollution also, which is the main reason of global warming. So on the occasion of science exhibition, I want to request all of you dear students, please avoid plastics and don't throw your wrappers here and there, use that proper dustbin. Okay. And ma'am, I want to say one thing, that the nursery which one is coming from that way, that one is also belong to our Chinmoy school, and we are trying to protect our environment, and definitely ma'am, as you said, we will educate our students to take care of the environment. Thank you. Then, definitely we are eagerly waiting to listen the feedback from the evaluators, but not now, as the evaluation is still on the way, it's pending. After the evaluation, our evaluators will share their feedback, definitely to educate or to teach all the things which are they noticed in the exhibition. But till that, now it's time to start the exhibition. So all the participants which are participating in the exhibition, class-wise, go to your class. First of all, class 9 and class 10 students will go to the classroom. Class 9 and class 10 participants, you may go now. Class 9 participants, you also go to the